Have you ever wanted to add a right-click feature to your PyQt widget, but found yourself stuck? It can be frustrating when you can't find the right code online. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. Many developers face this challenge when working with PyQt. It can feel like you're searching for a needle in a haystack when all you want is a simple solution. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I add a right-click to a widget in PyQt? This is a common scenario, and it's essential for enhancing user interaction. So let's dive into how we can achieve this. To understand the issue, we need to know that PyQt allows us to customize widgets extensively. Adding a right-click context menu can significantly improve user experience. Let's break down the steps to implement this feature. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will make your PyQt applications even more user-friendly. To add a right-click context menu to a widget in PyQt, the user first needs to subclass the widget they want to modify. This allows them to customize its behavior. Next, the user should implement the context menu event. This is done by overriding the context menu event method in the subclassed widget. Now, the user can create a context menu using the QMenu class. They should add actions to the menu that will be displayed when the user right-clicks. Finally, the user should show the menu at the cursor's position when the right-click occurs. This is done by calling the exec method of the menu. Fun fact, did you know that the right-click context menu was first introduced in the 1980s? It has since become a standard feature in user interfaces worldwide. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to adding a right-click context menu in PyQt involves setting the context menu policy for your QList widget. First, initialize it with custom context menu. Then, connect the custom context menu request signal to a function that handles the right-click event. In the function that handles the right-click, create a QMenu and add actions like remove item. Position the menu at the cursor's location and display it. You can also define a function to handle the action when it's triggered. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider adding keyboard shortcuts to your context menu options. This can make your application even more efficient and user-friendly. And there you have it. You now know how to add a right-click feature to your PyQt widget. Remember, enhancing user interaction is key to great applications. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.